So how can we understand the 9 Enneagram types in relation to the saboteurs of the Positive Intelligence Program, which was put together by Shirzad Chamine? So if we understand each Enneagram type as a certain perspective on the world, we can understand it as a spectrum. And on one end of the spectrum is the saboteur. Those are the unwanted patterns of the Enneagram type. And on the other end of the spectrum are the sage qualities. Those are the beneficial and favorable patterns of the Enneagram type. Saboteur and sage are terms that are used in the Positive Intelligence Program. And in that program, one can shift from saboteur to sage by doing what are called PQ reps. And that really is a way of getting centered in the body and in the present moment. With the Enneagram as a map, however, we can make this shift from saboteur up to sage qualities by understanding a system of concepts, specifically the line of release and the line of stretch. And what line of release means is that is how we release ourselves from the saboteur patterns and move into sage. And the line of stretch takes us a step further. And this is mostly what I'll be talking about in this presentation, is how we can use the Enneagram, understanding it as a system of concepts to shift from saboteur to sage. Let's see. So we know that every person accesses all of the different Enneagram types, but in varying degrees. And we also access the saboteur patterns, or they appear in our life in varying degrees. For each Enneagram type, there's a correlating saboteur. So for Enneagram type 1, there's the stickler saboteur. For Enneagram type 2, it's the pleaser. For Enneagram type 3, it's the hyperachiever. For Enneagram type 4, the victim. For Enneagram type 5, hyperrational. For Enneagram type 6, hypervigilant. For Enneagram type 7, the restless. For Enneagram type 8, the controller. And for Enneagram type 9, the avoider.